Hello everyone. I still love using my egg cooker whenever my instant pot and air fryer are busy. Here I am with super easy cleaning tip for egg cooker without any scrubbing. After few uses, egg cooker gets hard water stains. Here is my zero effort cleaning tip. Add water at the bottom. Add quarter teaspoon citric acid. Put the egg rack and lid back. Turn the power on. Let it be on for 5 minutes or entire cycle. Takes around 10 to 11 minutes. As citric acid is edible and safe, you can try this tip while boiling eggs too. The egg rack and steel plate also got cleaned. Discard the water. Wipe off with tissue or cloth. As you see how nice and shiny it got sparkly without any effort. It's ready for next use. Hope you like my tip. Stay tuned for more amazing tips and healthy recipes. Thanks for watching.